There she is.
Hello.
Do you have the stevia?
Yes.
I need it so bad.
Did you do a huge thing about how you're so
I was like, all I want is a cup of coffee, but Alicia
I thought
took
you don't
the
like stevia.
I do with my black coffee.
You love that shirt.
God bless.
Guys, she
I
steals
do
my
love
clothes
this
all the
shirt.
time.
You gave this to me.
No, I didn't.
What did you give me?
Not that.
I thought this was with the tie-dye crop and the other.
No.
Oh.
No wonder. I was like, you love that
That was my
shirt.
mistake.
It's okay, I'm wearing your leggings.
Okay, all right, 50-50. That makes
Love
sense. Who do you think you are?
You were looking for
You literally took my coffee and walked away.
I was curious how long it took you.
I don't know what's been going on, but I'm pretty sure the Instagram algorithm has just found me. They have figured me out because Instagram ads have just been getting me nonstop. A sweat set that I've been wearing nonstop since I got it is from the brand Elwood. I have told you guys about them before in like favorites videos. I've worn them constantly over the last like few months. They've been out of their core sets for quite a while, like 2 months, and they just finally did a drop of their new core sweat sets. And I was, I think, one of the first in line to get it. I had an alarm set because I love them so much. This is in the gray color. I have the like light wash sweat set in black, and I love them so much. Alicia ended up getting them. Another friend of mine ended up getting them. People ask me constantly where I got them from just because they love the material and the wash of it. Elwood is where it's at. Good American came out with these 90s high-rise baggy jeans, which are very similar to another pair of jeans that I own, but they don't fit me as well as Good American's does. So when I saw the ad and the style and like how cute it was around the waist, I had to get them. I tried them on. They fit perfectly, like so good. I'm a solid size 6 in dress sizes and as well as in bottoms. They complement my body in the best way, cinch in nice and tight around the waist and then just nice and loose around the thighs and stuff. And then after I had already purchased this, I was just minding my own business, scrolling through Instagram as I do, and another Good American ad came on and it got me. Good American came out with a denim jumpsuit. The best part is it's backless, which is so freaking sexy. So again, it like cinches in at the waist and just falls down on your legs. Just very flattering. It's very loose and I love it. And I just think it's so pretty and so sexy, very 90s. I love the backless. I love the denim wash and I haven't worn it yet, but oh, I plan on it. And then last and final thing, sheets. I don't know why, but this brand is on Instagram and it got me. I have, as you know, a little dachshund with black hair that sheds everywhere. As I just said that, look at how cute she is. She's asleep on my comforter and it's absolutely adorable. But when she gets up, there will be hair everywhere, which is fine. I am used to that. I've gotten really good at de-shedding my bed after she slept in bed with me sometimes. It's really obvious with white sheets and a white comforter. So that being said, I was on Instagram, they had this ad for this brand. It's called Ettitude and I ended up getting it. It's a like vegan silk sheet And I ended up going with like a slate gray. That's not me. I usually don't go for like the dark colors, but I feel like I'm at a point where I'm just like, I have no choice. I'm still gonna de-shed, obviously, but when she gets up and leaves, it won't be so like, whoa, look at all that hair. I got the sheet set. I've been sleeping in them for maybe 2 weeks. I wanted to give it like a test run before I bought the duvet cover, but I love them so much, I got the duvet cover. So I don't know if Instagram was still trying to figure me out, but they nailed me and I can't stop buying things from it. They currently, I'm on a swimsuit kick. So that's all the ads I'm getting right now. It's because I'm freaking out about summer coming and hot girl summer and stuff like that. Anyone else? Also guys, we have a huge life update. I finally got shelves put up in my room. I think I mentioned this like 2 years ago when I said I was moving into this room, how I wanted shelves on the side of the wall. I've purchased a pair of shelves. I think it was from West Elm, got the wrong sizes, had to return them, and then I finally purchased another set, but then because they're like floating shelves, I was worried I couldn't do it on my own, so I had to wait for my dad to come and visit, which I didn't know when that was gonna happen, so it was just been put on hold for a long period of time, but we finally got them up. And I couldn't be happier. They're not decorated fully yet, so don't judge them completely. Just focus on the shelves themselves. They look so good. They're from West Elm. I'll have them linked in the description box, but they are these metal floating shelves. I'm completely obsessed with them. They come in a bigger size and this size. This wall specifically is very small, especially in comparison to like the rest of the room. So I had to go with the shorter ones, but I'm very stoked and excited to finally have them up and I can't wait to fully decorate them. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna put on there yet. Okay guys, I just pulled the comforter out of the dryer. It's not completely wrinkle free, but all of the like hard creases are out. However, as if God like just handed this to me. Alicia received a package from Capri Blue. They have the scent Volcano, which is one of this household's favorite scents. They just sent her a wrinkle release spray and it was just casually sitting on the stairs. So you best believe I'm about to try it out on my new comforter. Sister things. Definitely still a little wrinkly, but once I sleep in it a few times, it'll come out. But overall, really happy with it. It does darken the room a little bit, and we all know how much I love an all white bed, down, pillow situation. But I think this is gonna be the best possible thing for my everyday sleeping with Rosie. So, meanwhile, time to decorate these shelves. I think I need to call in an expert. Lita! I need help with my shelf.
They look so good.
They look really good, but I don't know.
Well, I know what your problem is. Right now you have one, like staggered.
Yeah, I had this up there, which I thought looked really pretty. I also had a candle that I think would look really pretty.
These. I think we have the plant, no?
The plant doesn't have to be here.
I feel like it's so
I kind
heavy.
of liked how it looked, but I like how the bottles look very like apothecary. You know what I mean? So that can go.
And then you put the other guy in the middle.
Hear me out, guys. I know the metals are different here, but I'm not mad at this. So my whole room is primarily gold accents. So I did kind of mess up with the clock. I got a rose gold situation, but the only reason I put it up was because I realized that my diffuser that I have is also technically like a copper rose gold color. And I liked how it looked up there. I kind of don't hate that. I kind of like it a lot. The only problem is I loved how it looked on my dresser. So I don't know. To be honest, I'm getting tired and I might have to take a break and come back and hit it again, but I might leave it up there for a bit. Okay guys, taking a little bit of a break from the shelf and I'm here to talk to you today about today's sponsor. As you guys know, when it comes to paying off debt, it is an extreme uphill battle sometimes. Trust me, I know. I'm a college graduate. I know. I think money knowledge and budgeting knowledge and a good system to efficiently and effectively pay off your debt is crucial in life. And that is why I've partnered with Upstart. I think what they have to offer is absolutely crucial to living a healthy, balanced financial lifestyle. Upstart is the fast and easy way to pay off your debt with a personal loan all online. Whether it's paying off credit cards, consolidating high interest debt, or funding personal expenses, over 500,000 people have used Upstart to get a simple, fixed monthly payment, which is honestly just the goal. Unlike other lenders, Upstart looks at so much more than just your credit score. They look at your income and your employment history, which means that they can offer you smarter rates with trusted partners. And let me just say, my income and my employment history looks a lot better than my credit score. With a 5-minute online rate check, you can see your rate up front for loans between $1,000 and $50,000. 50, guys, 50, not 15, 50. And my absolute favorite part about Upstart is that you can start receiving funds within 1 business day once you've been approved, which is just unheard of and also just a game changer when it comes to paying off loans and getting yourself in a good place financially. So find out how Upstart can lower your monthly payments today when you go to upstart.com/Ashley. Again, guys, that's upstart.com/Ashley, and don't forget to use my URL code so they know that I sent you. One more time, guys, that's upstart.com/Ashley. And yeah, let's get back to the vlog. As the rest of our house is seemingly slowly getting more organized and getting a lot cleaner, one room has fallen short, and it is our gym. It's gotten pretty bad. We have pillows, chairs, equipment, lighting, a random rack of clothes, a bunch of PR boxes, an empty box, I think. Obviously, we have a Peloton bike here, our treadmills here, and in this corner, which you guys can't even see, we got a Celsius fridge that was given to Alicia for her birthday from Celsius, which, by the way, thank you guys. I feel like that was also kind of for me. And then a ton of old backdrops that we used to use for Alicia all the time. We don't need those anymore. And to be honest, this room's gotten really bad. I think a lot of things can be thrown out. And normally I'd be like, you know what, Alicia, we should tag team this. But you guys just love watching me clean. So I don't think I'd be doing this on my own if it weren't for you guys. So I appreciate and applaud you inspiring me. I think I'm going to tackle this room today. I have my AirPods. I'm gonna listen to some music and freaking just bust it out and hopefully have a really nice before and after for you guys. Guys, I impressed even myself this time. This looks so good. There's a few things that I think I would like to change. I love the fact that there's a mirror here for working out purposes, but Alicia and I do essentially want to get a different mirror. We've had this mirror since the first apartment and it's been great, but we would love one just like on the wall. These chairs, they're gonna have to go. Sorry, Rosie. They're gonna have to go because I think we're going to just try to like clean up this area, and we just gotta find people to give these chairs to. Now, for being honest, the thing that I am most unsure about is the fridge. I feel like there is or could be a better situation for the fridge, but for right now, while the mirror is there, I think we're gonna do it this way. I wasn't planning on putting it angled like this, but with all the baskets that we have and stuff, this just felt like the best possible option. The fridge is actually super handy because we had a TV tray over there holding like our speaker and our cleaning wipes. So we like having them out, but I like having the speaker and the cleaning wipes on top of the fridge. I feel like that makes sense. It kind of clears out all the space. And then all of our cycling shoes used to be like in a corner over here. I've put them in this basket right over here to the right of the bike. So minus the tripod, when you walk in, this is what you would see. There's plenty of room to walk around. There's plenty of room to like take a yoga mat and lay it on the floor and do some ab workouts or whatever. It just feels way more breathable like this. So I'm sure you're wondering, a lot of the stuff that was in here, I just found other places for. And then there was another portion of like boxes and pillows and stuff. That's all Taryn's. She's getting rid of it and selling it on Poshmark, but she's been like going through everything. So that's why it was in here. It'll probably end up back in here until she sells it. But that's fine because there is now plenty of room to hold it, which has never been the case before. So yeah, essentially guys, I'm really proud of myself and I am exhausted from my workout this morning. So I might have to make myself a coffee or something because I still have a ton of stuff to do today. To pause Schitt's Creek really quick. I am currently sitting here editing this vlog and I realized that I didn't actually end this vlog. So that was, you know, a fail on my part. But guys, I've been loving vlogging lately. I've been really into it. If there's anything specific you want to see from me, let me know. I'm open to all ideas. Well, not all, but like, you know, a lot. So leave them in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I feel like it was kind of all over the place, but in the best way, because sometimes the best vlogs are a little unplanned and all over the place. So wrap this up, Ashley. I'll see you guys soon.